What is going on, everyone? Leon checking in, and here we are with some news about the Snapdragon 8 Elite mobile platform. I'm extremely excited about this because this seems revolutionary. So here we are at the official source. I wanted to go straight to the source so that you're getting the best information possible. Now I'm also working on making these videos more interactive, so I've included a QR code in this content so that you can scan that QR code and go straight to this article. But as always, I'll include the link for the article in the description down below as well. So here we are with the Snapdragon 8 Elite mobile platform, and this chip is being marketed as a super high performance AI processor, as well as having super high efficiency. And I'm super excited about this technology because it sounds like it's going to revolutionize smartphones for 2025 and onward as this technology continues to improve. But this sounds like a very large step in the correct direction. Now, before we move on, I'm going to scroll down here. And by the way, I'm doing all of this on the Samsung Galaxy Book 4 Edge. This is a very thin, lightweight device. I'm absolutely in love with it. I'm going to provide, again, a QR code for this device where you can find it. That way you can look into it if you're interested as well. And this is an AI capable PC. It's got the Copilot key. Although I have been having issues with Copilot, I plan to provide an update on that as well. But anyways, back to the Snapdragon 8 Elite web page here. Again, official page from Qualcomm. We have this very nice ad campaign here for the Snapdragon 8 Elite. It has very good visuals. It has a banging soundtrack, and it also demonstrates a few use case scenarios. I totally recommend checking out this video. And as you can see in this video, I do have it looping here, but it's muted because I don't know if I would get a copyright strike if the video sound was playing. But I mean, just a great video of a great demonstration of what's going on here. And again, an awesome track. It's one of those tracks where you might leave a comment, who made that song? But anyways, let's talk more about this chip because that's the focus. But again, totally recommend that video. And we're going to cover this whole article here. So we're going to start with the Snapdragon 8 Elite mobile platform is performance transformed. Big emphasis here on how this is revolutionizing the smartphone. So the Snapdragon 8 Elite mobile platform is performance transformed, revolutionizing your on-device experience with unparalleled processing power, groundbreaking AI enhancements, and an array of never-before-seen mobile innovations. Huge emphasis on artificial intelligence here and performance processing on device. Our custom-built Qualcomm Orion CPU delivers astonishing speeds and efficiency to bolster and extend every interaction. This platform further enhances your extraordinary experience with on-device AI, including multimodal, Gen AI and personalization capable of supporting voice, text, and image prompts. So this is going to have some really huge capabilities. Now there's something really cool here that's also demonstrated in that ad campaign. And it says, and now you can even see what you see via your camera live view. I'm not sure if that's written correctly, but anyways, there is a demonstration of this in that really cool ad campaign where the person, they take out their phone, the camera is enabled, they scan a receipt, and they ask the artificial intelligence to split the bill. It splits the bill, well, I think also including the tip. And it's just amazing. Like if it really works like that, it's going to be amazing here. And then we're going to have an emphasis on improved gaming graphics. Now, games on Android are already getting pretty crazy. If you've tried Call of Duty Mobile or Asphalt, those look really amazing. But this new chip should provide the ability to have better games, like console games. And I have seen some examples of this, although a few generations old, but it's still amazing to think that we could be playing console games on a smartphone. And I know this time is going to be coming, it's going to get here eventually. It's just a matter of when. But anyways, this is further emphasized in the next sentence here. Entertainment soars to new heights with lifelike mobile gaming, fueled by the Qualcomm Adreno GPU's newly sliced architecture. Whether you're gaming or grooving, amplify your everyday with uninterrupted audio, delivering expansive whole building bandwidth. So there's going to be support for audio improvement as well. Plus, our brand new AI ISP is directly fused with the Qualcomm Hexagon NPU, introducing limited possibilities by enhancing capture in real time. Revel in these features and more from virtually anywhere with cutting-edge AI-backed 5G and Wi-Fi 7 capabilities, empowering on-the-go entertainment and productivity. So it also sounds like you're going to get the support for improved internet connectivity. I mean, all these things are going to be very phenomenal. And then underneath this, we're going to have that ad campaign video. Again, highly recommend watching it. It's very surreal. They did the production on that is really good. It's very gripping. I watched it and it just got me completely excited. And then we have some more information underneath here. Powerhouse Qualcomm Orion CPU defines a new mobile era. The first in mobile Qualcomm Orion CPU. These are the numbers here. This is where things get crazy. So we're anticipating a 45% performance boost, 44% greater power efficiency, and the mobile industry's largest shared data cache. What this sounds like to me, obviously, is a huge performance increase, but also being able to do more efficiently. So I'm thinking this hopefully would mean that you can do more, but your battery is going to last longer or just perform more efficiently. It'll be interesting to see how that works when we see more of these devices out in the world and we see other outlets test them, that kind of thing. I think this will be huge though, because you obviously need that huge performance boost for artificial intelligence or on-device processing. But if you're going to be doing a lot of that, you also need that power efficiency. You can't be doing these load intensive tasks and then your battery's dead in an hour. It's just not going to work for people. So this is hand in hand. This is amazing if it works out like this. So just a little more information. Our Qualcomm Adreno GPU with newly sliced architecture achieves 40% enhanced performance and 40% improved efficiency. Again, I think they're kind of just stating the same thing. System-wide experience on an overall power savings of 27%. So they're kind of hinting at this is going to be very powerful. It's going to be very efficient. And it's going to save power because it's efficient. So this is a dream. This is a dream come true for tech people, productivity people, gamers. This will be amazing. So next we're going to have multimodal Gen AI at your fingertips. I'm a huge believer in generative AI, artificial intelligence. I use these tools. They're very helpful for doing research. But anyways, this is what we've got here. The Qualcomm AI engine boasts the fastest Qualcomm Hexagon NPU. And I don't know too much about all this stuff scientifically, but NPU stands for Neural Processing Unit, delivering a 45% AI performance improvement and 45% better performance watt. I think this is all just kind of saying the same thing. I mean, again, I'm not a professional, but this sounds like the same thing. Plus, multimodal Gen AI support and longer token inputs will help you become an expert on any topic. I think that's going to be very helpful. I have to learn more about this stuff, and as I learn, I'm going to share with all of you. But longer token inputs will help you become an expert on any topic. My understanding of this, and please correct me in the comments if I might be wrong, but the tokens are kind of like how many attempts you get, how many questions or inquiries you have for an artificial intelligence, I'm not 100% sure about that. I'm learning this as we go along. Next, we have AI powered camera. So not only will this be for general artificial intelligence, gaming, audio, your internet, but we also have a focus on the camera. Our AI ISP is directly fused with the Qualcomm Hexagon NPU to offer industry-leading camera features like limitless semantic segmentation at 4K resolution. I have no idea what that even means. It sounds awesome. That's all I know. Plus, our on-device video object eraser. That's a pretty big deal. There was actually a demonstration of that as well. And if it works as demonstrated in the video, that's going to be a pretty big deal, especially for content creators. Can remove unwanted elements from videos, while Insight AI provides real-time skin and sky adjustments to create more natural color and lighting in uncertain conditions. Overall, that's going to be great for anyone taking photos, videos. Now this says videos, but I imagine this will easily apply to photos because the videos would be more of a challenge to process. So it would seem like the photos would be covered by default. Power and efficiency for revolutionary gaming. I mean, they are just hitting all the spots here. Mobile first support for Unreal Engine 5's Nanite solution. I didn't even know that. Enables astonishing film quality, 3D environments, and smartphone gaming. This is the part where we're getting towards, and I knew this time was coming. I'm not going to say like this is it. I'm not going to say this is the moment. But this is at least the start of the moment. And I think this actually started moments ago. Again, with the games like Call of Duty Mobile and Asphalt. We've already had progress here, but this is like a huge step. I really think we're probably going to get to the point. I think the future is, especially with Samsung devices where you have decks, you can play console quality games on a Samsung device, and you can connect your Samsung device to your TV with an HDMI cable, and that will be your console. And I think consoles will have to be on alert here because this is becoming really dangerous to that segment. Because think about it, you always have your phone with you. It's portable. It's just more accessible, and to have a game just readily available anywhere at any time, you could play any game. I mean, that's the future. So all of this is done while maximizing efficiency plus support for Unreal's chaos physics engine. And if you don't know about Unreal, again, I'm not an expert in this topic, but Unreal does very crazy software, I guess you'd say, for gaming environments, photorealistic. It's getting insane. But they deliver lifelike object interactions and simulations, again, gaming, even in complex scenes. Studio quality audio, that's the next topic. Again, a return to audio improvement, or at least support for improved audio. Our Snapdragon sound technology suite with Qualcomm aptX lossless technology delivers up to 24-bit 48 kilohertz Bluetooth music streaming and up to 24-bit 96 kilohertz Wi-Fi music streaming. Qualcomm expanded personal area network XPAN technology enables whole building untethered audio coverage, aided by ultra low power Wi-Fi 7. As a music person, I'm not sure how this really works, but I'm all for an improved audio experience. And then we have fully integrated AI enhanced connectivity. So the Snapdragon X80 5G modem RF system with a dedicated AI tensor accelerator. This sounds like something out of the Back to the Future. Get the AI tensor accelerator. achieves multi-gigabit 5G speeds in more places with the first 4x6 MIMO solution and 30% more accurate location positioning. So improved GPS, that's going to be cool. And I also like to think like, this is the start. Not only will this trickle into smartphones in 2025, but into other devices such as our smartwatches eventually. And 30% more accurate location positioning, already read that. And our 40% more efficient Qualcomm Fast Connect 7900 mobile connectivity system is the first to integrate Wi-Fi ranging, Bluetooth wireless technology, and UWB proximity technologies for object tracking, built-in access control, and more. So that's pretty much it here. I mean, if you're interested in this article, again, we have the QR code here. And underneath that, we're going to have more features and specifications, just like the techie vomit stuff that you might be interested in. Click that QR code. You can access the page here. There's a lot of details here. Just goes into a lot more details. There's a show more button. The list is very extensive. And it actually has some really cool stuff here. Things about the fingerprint, charging, memory, display, video playback, camera, NFC. All of this is here at the bottom. But this is why I wanted to link the official article here. I wanted to show the official article because you're not getting a third opinion here. You're getting it straight from the source, and I'm just kind of reviewing it, so you're getting the best information possible. So anyways, I'm super excited about this. I think this is amazing. I think it's going to be revolutionary. I am a little bummed because I have a Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6, and this hasn't come in until like the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7, and that's like forever away because the Z Fold 6 isn't that old yet. But I may jump from the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 to the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra because of this alone, because I need to have the best tools. And that's the thing, smartphones, they are becoming like the scalpel. You can get precise performance, it's high performance, it's precision, it's just the future. So that is it for today's content. As always, thanks for watching, and may the universe flow in your favor. And until next time, Leon checking out.
You